Welcome to the vibrant city of Hong Kong, where tradition meets modernity in a mesmerizing blend of culture and innovation. As we embark on this journey, get ready to explore the best places this dynamic city has to offer. Our first stop is the iconic Victoria Peak, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city skyline and Victoria Harbor. Next, we stroll along the Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade, where the glittering lights of the city reflect on the water, creating a picture-perfect scene. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere of Temple Street Night Market, a sensory delight of street food, souvenirs, and lively performances. Then, marvel at the serene beauty of the Tian Tan Buddha, a majestic symbol of peace and spirituality overlooking Lantau Island. For a touch of magic, venture into Hong Kong Disneyland, where fairy tales come to life amidst thrilling rides and enchanting shows. Seek blessings at Wong Tai Sin Temple, a place of worship and fortune-telling that embodies the city's rich cultural heritage. Experience the charm of the Star Ferry as it glides across Victoria Harbor, offering a unique perspective of Hong Kong's skyline. Dive into the vibrant energy of Mong Kok, a bustling district known for its lively markets, street food, and vibrant street scenes. In Hong Kong, every corner tells a story of tradition, innovation, and diversity. From the modern skyscrapers to the ancient temples, this city is a tapestry of contrasts waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and let Hong Kong's unique charm captivate your senses as you embark on an unforgettable journey through this dynamic metropolis.